In this video we're going to enter a bit of content from the Visual Builder template library into our system just here. Now what I'm looking for is to go between the full width image, which is this row here, and the title, so this one here that says benefits for. So the way I'm going to add this is come right up to the top, and I'm going to click on the templates button because I've already saved this particular item to the templates, and you can see here it says my templates and CTA grey row with button. So I'm going to click on that, and what that's done is put it in right down at the bottom here. Oh, there it is. There's my row, the new row, which is grey. It's got a bottom on the right, so what we called it was CTA row. And then I'm just going to pick it up and I'm going to drag it to where I want it to go. So I've still got my finger held down to drag it where I need, and then I'm just going to drop it between my image there and the benefits there. Now I'm going to click on update. And we'll go have a look at the page now as well to see what it is that we've resulted in. And there it is, there's our now CTA, and obviously we can go and edit that text and the action of that call to action.